Hi, we are from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. My name is Kiran P. and we are doing a project on reliable re-encryption in unreliable clouds under the guidance of Mrs. M. Bhargavi, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC. And my team members are Nagaraju P., Praveen Kumar Yogi and Ganesh G. Abstract. A key approach to secure cloud computing is for the data owner to store encrypted data in the cloud and issue decryption keys to authorized users. Then when a user is revoked, the data owner will issue re-encryption commands to the cloud to re-encrypt the data to prevent the revoked user from decrypting the data and to generate new decryption keys to valid users so that they can continue to access the data. The existing system. The key problem of storing encrypted data in the cloud lies in revoking access rights from the users. A user whose permission is revoked will still retain the keys issued earlier and thus can still decrypt data in the cloud. A naive solution is to let the data owner immediately re-encrypt the data so that the revoked users cannot decrypt the data using their older keys while distributing the new keys to the remaining authorized users. Proposed system. We propose a reliable re-encryption scheme in unreliable clouds. R3 is a time-based re-encryption scheme which allows each cloud server to automatically re-encrypt data based on its internal clock. The basic idea of R3 scheme is to associate the data with an access control and an access time. Each user is issued keys associated with attributes and attribute effective times. Hence, our main theme is to provide security to cloud service providers. We provide the security by developing a website. The website consists of a home page. The home page consists of login form, and the login form consists of email ID and password. In order to log in, the owner or the user has to register first. We'll go through the owner's registration. The owner registration consists of registration form. The registration form consists of the columns such as username, email, password, confirm password, date of birth, gender, location, user type, etc. The owner has to fill all the form and has to register. Once the registration has done, the owner has to log in again. Once the login has been done, the owner has the option to upload a file. In order to upload a file, he must add or create a server. In order to create a server, he must answer some security questions and then he can create a server. Once the server has been created, he can upload a file. He can upload a file from a system and a key is generated from the database so that he can encrypt the key with the file. And the encrypted format of the file is saved in the server. Once the uploading of a file is done by clicking on the submit button. Once the file has been uploaded, you can view all the file details in this one. If any file is been not forwarded, you can also forward the file to other server. Once the file has been uploaded, he will be logged out. Now we will come to the users. The user has to register in order to log in. The user's registration consists of a registration form in which he has to fill all the details such as username, email ID, password, confirm password, date of birth, gender, location, user type. Once the user's registration has done, a code has been sent to email account of the user. This registration code will be very useful while decryption or while downloading the file. The user has to check the code that has been sent to the Gmail account. In order to check, the user has to log in through the Gmail account and he should check the registered key. And after registration of the user has been done, the user has to log in order to access his account. The user consists of he can view the file. He can view all the files that has been uploaded by the owner and he has options to download the file. In order to download the file, he must decrypt before downloading the file. In order to decrypt the file, he must enter, or he must browse the encrypted file and the key file that the owner has been encrypted while uploading the file. The decryption of the file is done by selecting the encrypted format and also the key format of the file. Once the decryption format has been done, the user will successfully download the file. Thank you.